I'm spending the next 3 days on the Noosa River chasing the mighty mud crab. It's not going to be easy catching a legal male around here, it's tough. I'm dodging storms, cooking up my fussy son's very first mud crab. And on day 3, taking my wife Danielle out, hoping to catch enough for a proper feed of crab linguini. It's a wild ride, and that's the thrill of the chase. Let's see how it all plays out. I'm Paul Breheny, and welcome to Real Bites Australia. Well, guys, today I've had a little bit of a problem because I was meant to be doing an offshore fishing show for you guys today, catching reef fish of some description and then cooking it up for you. But unfortunately, we can't do that because it's blowing around about 25 knots. I've just pulled into a little spot here, and what I'm going to do is do a little bit of crabbing instead. So I'm going to put the crab pots in now, and I'm going to pick them up in the morning and hopefully cook you an absolutely beautiful crab dish. We'll see how we go. All right, I'll either do it in the kitchen, it depends on the wind, or I'll do it right here on the beach. This is quite a nice little spot, maybe come down here on the low tide. That's if we can get a male crab in Noosa. It's a very difficult thing to get a male crab in Noosa. Plenty of females, but not many males. Okay, this is the crab pot, and I put this together, guys. You can see it's pretty basic. Okay, these come off, and we just pull these, put them in, pull them up, and away we go. Now then, I'm using a weird bait today. I'm actually using chicken. I got some chicken on special. These are chicken drumettes. Normally I'd cook these up with a little bit of soy or honey in the oven, but today I'm going to give them to our Noosa crabs. Beautiful. Let's do it. Beautiful part of Noosa. Once we get past here, there's a few boys jumping off the bridge. Once we get past here, then I can zoom up the river and drop a few of these pots in. With the crab pots, you've got to give them at least 2 or 3 tides, or 2 tides through, to get the smell out there to the crabs. I'm leaving mine overnight. It's always a risk leaving them overnight. You can drop them in the morning, come in the afternoon. Always a risk because you do get a few, we call them crab farmers at night time, pinching your crabs. Probably every crab's probably worth about $60 to $80 anyway, you know, so if they want to do that, well, you know, karma will probably get them in the end. Okay guys, so I just got about to pull the pots up now. Yesterday was a little bit of a well, waste of time, to be honest. Ended up with one of the pots actually got raided, I would say. Can't be positive of that, but it looked like it had been raided. And the other 3 pots basically had small, they had one of them had a Jenny in it, and the other 2 had 4 male crabs, bucks, but unfortunately not legal size. So I've dumped another 4 in here, and we'll see how we go. And I'll keep doing it until I get a crab. So let's go and pull these ones up and see how we go. So good morning, and just going to pick the first crab pot up and we'll see how we go. This is where it's a little bit exciting. Hopefully I can get in there. It's pretty shallow at the moment. Always comes in handy having these electric motors. Let's whack that on spot. Ooh. Even better, I just found a really good lure in this tree. How good is that? Look at that. One man's gain is another man's loss. Pretty good lure, that. Perfect. Nice little jack lure. Hooks look pretty good. Maybe they lost that last night. Anyway, it's mine now. Finders keepers. Well, nothing in that. Not even any chicken, so that's a bit odd. Yeah, someone's opened this. Damn. I think someone's been in this one. Oh well, that's why you got to move them around. So hopefully on the next two, we might be able to get some crab. Not easy in the Noosa River. Okay, and that pot that I just put in there, it is very close to the channel. Someone's gone in it, they've opened it. I think they've even taken the bait out of it, to be honest with you. And if there was any crab in there, well, they've taken them as well. So it's just to be expected. I used to cable tie all my pots to see if anybody's been in there or not, but now I can't even be bothered because they make a mess of your pots trying to cut the cable ties off. Well, no one's been in this one. Oh yes, got a legal crab, so a few crabs there. Some good crabs in there. What is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 crabs. Maybe one legal. So look at this fella. That's a male. Okay, let's just see if he's big enough. He's got some claws on him. Oh, just a centimetre too small. You'd think that he'd be legal. Look at the claws on that. We'll get him back in the water. Let's get the big boy out again. Come on, big boy. They like holding on to each other. He could go. He could just go. Let's have a look. Yep, he's just on the money. He's mean, this one. That's a nice male there. See if he's legal. Look at him climbing out the back. He knows what he's up to. Yeah, he's well legal. As you can see, well legal. From tip to tip. He's a good crab. Very happy. I'm a happy boy. This guy here can grow to be a bit bigger. Check him, but I think he needs to be a bit bigger, that guy. Well, he's not happy, this guy. He's not happy. He wants out of there. He can grow. We'll come and get you next week. This guy here, I think he's been fighting. Lost a nipper, let him go. But this guy, big angry fella, you're coming home, mate. If you're full, you're coming home. Grab hold of that. Come on, grab it. I didn't want to grab it. I've got to grab him. Okay, he's a nice crab. He's a beautiful male. Look at that. What an absolute beautiful male. Now, I have got my son on today, so I'm allowed to put some more pots in today, but I'm pretty happy, and he is full, really full. Look at the size of this guy. He's a beauty. Oh, he's strong too. Gosh, he's strong. Might just have to put him down on the floor if he lets go of that. Beautiful. Now that's better. Now I can hold him. I'm going to tie this crab up now. You want around about a good length of cord, probably about 1 metre, and he's not happy, this crab. Just had a look at him and he just tried to take my nose off. So he's a bit of a cranky crab. That's all right. There he comes. He's already grabbing hold of me. Just pull him out if he'll come out. But don't grab both of them out at the same time. I'll just grab one. This boy's cranky. Come on, mate. Let's bring him across here. There we go, mate. You can hold. I don't want you really holding on to that, to be honest. Look how he's holding on to that. He's not happy. I can't get that out of him. Look at that. If that was your finger or your toe, you'd be in a fair bit of trouble. Let's hope that doesn't happen. Okay, now I've got a bit of a dodgy knee, so it's never easy with a dodgy knee, that's for sure, because I'm going to have to use my toes, and he's a strong crab, this guy. Wow. I'm going to hold him with my foot, like so. Go under the flippers. I just go straight underneath this shell. Come round on the crab, like so, and go under the flippers, and then just to the side here. So basically I've gone underneath the shell, wrapped his claws, and then gone under the flippers to finish off the tie. And I tie him on the side here, as tight as I possibly can, because this crab is a strong crab. There we go. And that's my crab tied up there. That's your crab tied up. That saves me if I go and try and put my hand in a bucket and he bites me, and keeps him under control. Now I'm going to pop this guy onto ice water. It's the most humane way. So he goes straight onto ice water for around about half an hour just to render him senseless, and then we're going to pop him in the boiling water, and we're going to have a beautiful feed out of this crab. Alright, let's get back to the beach, Lockie, and we'll go and sort it out. Right, got the crabs in the esky. They're all chilled down. I've got them on some salt water with ice. Been in there for about an hour, so they're well and truly rendered senseless, which is really good. You really need to do that. If you don't do that, then they'll stress, and it's inhumane. PCA, it's their strict guideline that you can't do anything like that, cruelty to any type of crustacean. So it looks like the pot's coming to the boil. Now I'm going to pop these crabs in for 1 minute per, say, 100 grams. I'm going to estimate. I reckon they weigh about yeah, about 800 grams. He wouldn't be quite a kilo, so I'm thinking around about 8 minutes. So our first crab goes in, and then we've got the second crab here. It's a little bit smaller, this crab. So we're just going to pop him in as well, and we're going to wait for it to come back up to the boil. Already this first crab has turned pink. As you can see, a beautiful colour of pink. Now I'm going to pop the line on, water's boiling, timer's on for 8 minutes. As soon as that finishes, straight into some ice water. Then I'm going to throw a little bit of butter in the pan, heat that up, and then we're going to throw it in the bowl, and we're just going to dip the crab in it, and maybe even have a nice chilled beer. Now that would be good. Come on, crabbies, hurry up and boil. I'm starving, absolutely starving. There we go, Lachlan. There's a nice piece for you. Thank you. Big fat piece. Just try it. My son's not really had mud crab before, so this will be his first time. How's it? Good? Yeah, first crab. Well, that's pretty cool, having the first crab with my son and we caught it together. Absolutely over the moon. Oh my God. Wow. Want any more? Come on, mate. Have one of these big, this is the best bit. Michael, I'll smash it for you. There you go. Oh, no, trust me, eat it. Look, just trust me on it. Put it in there and eat it and you'll be absolutely blown away with how good it is. Pull it, yeah. Nice, eh? Hmm?
Yeah, it's nice.
We just don't like the look of it.
No, it looks gross.
But it's not gross, beautiful. Right, you know how much they pay in restaurants for that? They pay an absolute squillion to sit there and eat this crab. It's really nice. Oh, this one's got not much meat in it. It's got a bit of meat. Actually, the meat's quite sweet there. You know when you open it up here? You eat that. My God, that's nice. Take you to the best places, don't I? Best restaurants. Next time on Real Bites Australia, I'm back in the kitchen and out on the beautiful Noosa River. I'm chasing crabs again, this time with my wife. And I'm cooking up a cracking little pasta dish that's easy, delicious, and perfect for you to make at home.